I tipped, but I have a new cozy coop. I have to get out. See, I got a horn. The honks. See, we have a gas gauge. See, then we have that gauge. We have the horn. Back here, we have the cup holders. Right now, I'm sitting in the seat. See, oh, wait, let me get out. See, there's the mirrors. Hold on. Hopefully this thing don't tip. Okay, I'm out. So, I'll get back in again, but see, we got the gas cap opened. See? Back opens. 4x4 says. There's a bee. I can't see. Here, oh my god, these are about to sting me. Okay. It was $10. It wasn't in the best condition, as you can see. But it's pretty good. See, we got the sport wheels. It was the deluxe edition. So we got some cup holders back here. Right here to open it. I gotta come from the other side. See, there's that red lock. So when you push it, it will open. Now I gotta go around this side. And then I gotta flip. Hold on. It's gonna fall. Hi guys. I'm in. Yellow. Hi. Mirror. Horn, I've already showed you. But, pretty cool.